Hey guys, welcome to Trade Confident. Hope you're having a good one. Make sure you guys are subscribed, turn the bell notification on. We are live trading on every single one of these videos. Currently up $11,146 here. Let me get this little brush out here. I'm sorry, I forgot to get that out there for us. We're doing pretty good on this channel. We haven't lost a trade yet. We've taken 32 trades. We are in our 33rd, 34th, 35th, so on in trade that I'm going to show you guys in this video. So there you guys go. Awesome. Let's go over Dogecoin, guys. Please watch this video. Something very actually strange is happening with the flow of long and short trades right now, and it's not bullish, which is very interesting. So let me cover this and then we'll jump right in. We are going to be going over the Dogecoin metrics today, the emotional index, the long versus short trades. You guys see that up there? Yeah. Long versus short trade risk, the well and institutional smart money, also support and resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and exit points. So let's jump right on in. Okay, quick recap. The last long trade was called out at 29 cents. I then ended up calling an exit of 50% at 29.9. You guys all did about 5.65% on that. And the call was to move the rest of your position up to a break even. So basically that was what I called a guaranteed win. I think I actually put guaranteed win on the thumbnail on that. So good job, guys. That trade is obviously officially closed, and you guys all won that easily because we took profit up here before this crashed back down. So let me take that off the chart. For all of us here, let's take this off, let's take this off, and take this off. What did end up happening, guys, is those of you who have your membership over at Trade Confident, you guys need to come over here. Guys, it's $49 a month. I had people make $10,000 yesterday. I had a guy make $100,000. I had a guy make $34,000 on DOT. I'm not going to be able to cover that today, but shout out to you, man. You know exactly who you are. Great job on getting into that entry. First and second buy limit was hit, and he drove this thing straight back up, and he did $34,000 just yesterday on DOT. It was like nuts. Okay, I'm sorry. What you guys need to do, once you have your membership, click on the live trades on the homepage, and here you guys go. Like, for obviously today we're going over Dogecoin. Click Dogecoin right now. Come over here, and this is what you're going to see. I'm going to keep it private for paid members, but you're going to see this. This is an example on Bitcoin. There's 4 yellow lines below the current price of Dogecoin. It's going to update every morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this chart. Place 4 buy limits below the current price, and that's where you guys get your entries, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, just simply set your sell limit up here and watch the videos, and I'll teach you guys how to exit. That's all we're doing. This is so simple. So those of you guys who followed our metrics and you got into this drop, you're basically just sitting down just a tad bit right now. So let me come out here and give us an exact percentage here. By the way, this trade management is super, super good, guys, for Dogecoin right now. I have people like, it's so funny. My brother told me this yesterday too. They're like, man, I hope the market just crashes further so we can get into more of our buy limits. You know, you have a good strategy when like your clients are like, Travis, we hope the market just crashes. Like if the market goes up, we're all making money. Like literally everybody following this channel and taking our calls, we're already in ADA. You guys know that. We're already in Ethereum. We're already making money in both of those. But for those of you guys who are in here, we actually like, as bad as this might sound for some of you guys, we want the market to go down further. It would actually be really good if Dogecoin just crashes here down to 19 cents so we can get our second buy limit entry in here, and then we ride this back up. So that's why a lot of people have been switching over to our method, because when you enter in, it's usually a lot of people market ordering in here, and if they drop, they're like, oh my gosh, they get so frustrated because they're losing on all their money. No, guys, like we actually get excited when the market goes down below our position because we have 75% of our positions still waiting to get tagged in. This is very good risk management. Okay, so let's point this out, and we're going to head over to the metrics. I want you guys to watch these moves here very closely. I'm telling you guys, just get the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion, the trend dashboard. I want to go over these real quick, and then we're going to go over the metrics of this crazy anomaly I'm seeing right now, which honestly doesn't look good for Dogecoin. It's kind of surprising. Just take a look at this real quick. I'm just going to pull a few of these. When this gets into the top red section here, guys, it is calling the tops of coins. I just did this on 88. It called every single move down, every move down on the chart when we have seen this move up into the top red section. Make sure you guys do watch that video. Take a look at this right up to the top section here. We ended up seeing the move down. This called the top here perfectly. Consolidation pattern up here. Move back down. We also saw this called the top perfectly up here before we saw this waterfall move back down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can go in the past, I can show you this where it called this dip right here, so on and so forth. I can go back here, show you where it called this dip right there, and a move back down. So what is that? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 calls down. There's a reason why a ton of you guys are picking up this indicator, and Full disclosure, guys, I do think I am going to be raising the price of the trend exhaustion at the end of the month. So October 1st, I do think I'm going to be raising the price. It's not solid, but it's worth a ton more money than what we're charging. So just giving you guys a warning, okay? Full disclosure. Once this pushes back up into the top red section, I do think we could hit some structure lows up here, and then we could possibly start seeing a move back down. So just watch that. The reason why I wanted to show that to you guys is that you guys need to be watching that for exits on your long trades. So let me make this real quick. I'm sorry it's a little bit longer. Here's the full system. You guys go over here, you set up your long trades. We're going to use Dogecoin, for example. Pretend you guys came over there, you set up your long trades. Awesome. You got triggered into your long trades. The second thing to do is once you're in your first buy limit, set up that yellow line above the current price that I showed you guys for Bitcoin. That will give you guys a safe sell limit up here to get triggered out if the market pumps and you guys are sleeping. After that, if that's not simple enough, get the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. And when we start pushing up into the top red section here, scale out of your trade. Guys, that's all we're doing. This is super, super simple. Like literally next time we move in the top red section for ADA, I will be exiting 25%. So just making that very clear. Also, I will be calling an exit on Dogecoin. Even if I'm not on the videos here, I will be looking to take a minimum of 25% exit when the trend exhaustion pushes up here. It's called the last 7 moves down. I wouldn't doubt if it calls the move again on this. If the well money flow starts pushing up here to a top section here, with it being in the top red zone, that is a strong indication it moves down. Why do I use both of these? When this is very high, as well as the money's very high, this is when we expect to see nice drops back down in the market. So I use it for confirmation. Okay, let's get over here to what I'm looking at, which is very interesting for Dogecoin. Okay. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single morning, Monday through Sunday. Okay, we are pushing down into the emotional index section of anxious. This totally makes sense that we're down into this anxious section because we ended up obviously dropping a lot on Dogecoin. Right when we got on down to the anxious section, we saw a move back up. This is very indicative of what happens with emotions in the market. I'll show you guys down here that actually smart money ended up buying this like crazy, and it's not a place to be selling, okay? I know a lot of people saw this move down and they sold. A ton of people sold. How do we know? Because it dropped down so far and they're all red candles for like, these are 4-hour, this is like 12 hours in a row of just straight selling. Freak out, panic mode selling. Why is that? It's because a ton of people went long here and they went long up here thinking this is going to go to the moon. It broke their support and it hit their stop losses and it started crashing. They flip their trades. They go to short positions to try to recover what they've just lost. That is a compound effect and that will drive a price down every single time. Okay, watch this with me here. Emotions, anxious. Wells, us, we're buying. We are going to buy the emotions of every single retail trader when they are anxious every time. Why? Because when they're anxious, this price moves back up. It loves to move back up when everybody is anxious in the market. Okay, let's move down here. This is what I want you guys to be watching here. This is very interesting. I honestly don't know what's going on here, so it's something you just need to be very cautious about. Short trades increased. Okay, short trades increased after the dump. Please hear me this again. Short trades increased after the dump, okay? Short trades normally increase before a dump. Short trades normally increase before a dump in the market. But what's happened here is actually short trades increased after the dump. Obviously, this is clear right here that this is the metric that showed us yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Follow me over here. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, you would normally think that if you see this on the chart right here, sorry guys, if you normally see this on the chart, you would say, okay, short trades increased, and then we saw the pump back down. No, that's actually not true. Short trades went off at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time yesterday, which put us right here. It's 8, right about around this mark. This is actually 9 o'clock, so just go over like 1 hour over there. It actually increased here after the drop. Are there people out there that are just gonna drop out Dogecoin and just drop this down to 19 cents to our second buy limit? Like that could be a play that people are looking at, because I have never seen this actually happen where short trades increased on a slam down on a coin. Also, more signs here that aren't very bullish is long trades completely dropped out as well. So long trades are dropping out, short trades are increasing after the pump down. Just watch that, guys. I will be going over targets here, but this is something that you do not see very often. Okay, long versus short trade risk. If you guys are looking at trades, obviously this is a good long trade. If you do not have your buy limit set up for the long trade, please go over to the Dogecoin Metrics. Set that up so you guys can get in there. Obviously, I already went over this a little bit, but this is holding So true, guys. Look at this calling these moves in here. Smart money accumulated long trades right here. The price ended up going up. They made their money. Awesome. Smart money accumulated short trades right here all the time while it was going up. They made their money down. Smart money came in here. They accumulated their long trades and they made money going back up here. Bought that wick value and just shot up. This is holding so true. This is why you guys need to be watching this. I'm telling you, these metrics down here, watching retail traders get anxious. Every single time they are anxious, smart money is going to be buying the fear of you guys, not you guys, but the fear of the majority of retail traders, and that is how they make their money. I've taught this to hedge funds. They use it. They know how to use the emotions of retail traders. Okay, take a look at this as far as where we're going to head up and move down. If we see a pump in Dogecoin, which the money flow, the on-chain metrics of the flow here are not looking too good, but if for some reason these metrics update and a lot of buy volume moves into the market, we first need to pass above 26 cents and then we're going to 32. Okay, watch this. We need to pass above this structure high right here, which is right around 26 cents, 26, 27 cents. This is where I do expect to see a move up here possibly and then a move back down. We are also looking at structure high up here that we could end up seeing basically a strong resistance where we get up to this point and then a crash back down. Let's keep going a little bit further as far as moves back down in the market. I do expect to see Dogecoin, if this gets a lot of bearish momentum, obviously test structure low down here at 21 cents. But then the second buy limit here, I actually didn't mean to show this to you guys, but anyways, the second buy limit is down here at 19 cents. This is going to be updated throughout the week as new price structure comes into the market. So if I do update this, please make sure you guys are watching over here because that doesn't always stay the same. Those are dynamic. Again, real quickly, so you guys don't miss this. Click on Dogecoin and make sure you're set up. Make sure you're set up over here. Okay. I do think we could head down to 19 cents if this pushes down even further. This is making me a little bit nervous in here for us for Dogecoin that short trades are increasing this drastically with long trades moving out after the drop back down. This could be this move down right here. It could be people reacting to the low, putting their short trades in up here and looking for this to move back down. I'm almost positive that's what it is, but if it's not, then it's kind of got a little bit of mystery behind it. Take a look at this and we're going to wrap up the video. Those of you guys who got into the good average long trades, you guys did very good. This is basically for people who want to throw money into the market. You guys want to hold for 5 to 10 years. Exit points. Take a look at this. This was calling, saying, hey guys, look, we're probably going to see a drop. We ended up getting a drop there. This pushed us into the bear market cycle. This saw a little bit of a drop here. Market did move down here as well. We saw the drop in the market there. We saw the drop in the market here. We saw this call the drop here, and we saw this call some drops here. So very good metrics to look to exit once you guys are in long trades. So if I have to make an official call on this channel right now, guys, it is this. It honestly is congratulations for everybody who set up the buy limits. If you guys want right now, you can go over and do a market order right now for 25% of your full allotment. If you have $1,000 and you want to get in with our trades here and follow this channel, you can market order in with a 25%. If you have $1,000, $250 can go right here. Place your second buy limit, your third buy limit, and your fourth buy limit with 25% portion of the amount that you want to allocate to this trade and follow along with us. I know this sounds bad. My hope here is that Dogecoin crashes because it will actually trigger us into our second buy limit, and I believe we will actually make money a whole lot faster. But if Dogecoin seems to want to do a bull cycle and we start moving up here, great, we're all in this trade. You can be in this trade with us. If you just market order in right now, you guys will get actually a little bit more of a favorable entry than we got on our first buy limit, but make sure the other ones are set up. I don't say this often, guys. This is going to be an extremely hard trade to lose. This will be an extremely hard trade to lose because our buy limits are set up so well and they're moved out so far that it's going to be a very, literally Dogecoin is going to have to go back down to 2 to 3 cents for us to lose this trade. Even then we actually won't lose it because we're not leveraging and we could still bounce back up from there. Get into this trade, guys. If you want almost a guaranteed winner, and I don't like how they ever say this, Dogecoin's good because it's so low, it's so close to zero, and the way I have the buy limit stretched out, it's almost impossible not to win this trade, okay? Go over here, tradeconfident.io, get you guys' membership over here, $49. So cheap for what people are making. And then make sure you guys do snag the trend exhaustion, price versus well, money flow, and trend dashboard here. A lot of people looking to go short. That's what's telling me. A lot of the retail traders are using these metrics and they're looking that this price is going to possibly go down further. Great. Let them push it down further. Please push it down to 19 cents so we can get a better entry and you can get a better entry as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you so much. Everything you need is in the description and the first comment on this YouTube channel. And I will see you guys later. This is such an exciting time to trade and I love you guys so much. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me at betradeconfident at gmail.com, and I'll get back to you guys. All right. See you guys. Bye-bye.